Good morning, children. Answer this question. Have you ever heard of the word Botswana? No? Okay. How about Gabon? Still no? Let me give you a hint. These are proper nouns. No, this is not a grammar lesson. Okay, let's get to the point. Botswana, Gabon, Lesotho, etc. All these are the names of countries. Yes, seriously. And we don't know them? Come on, how can we? How can we know the names of all the 195 countries in the world? It's almost impossible. And so is the case with almost all the people of the entire world. They would not even have heard the names of all the countries of the world. But there is one country's name which everyone, and yes, every resident of the remaining 194 countries know, and that is our country's name, India. Such is our fame. This sounds better in Hindi. Such is our tashan. Okay, now we are on track and you have got the idea, right? Children, we all will be celebrating our 75th Independence Day tomorrow. Our country got independence on 15th August 1947, ending almost 200-year British rule. So why is this country so great? Let's see if we can answer. India is the world's second largest populated country, where poverty is a significant issue. And there are also many problems like lack of education, political issues, border problems, women empowerment, nepotism, many more. Right? Wrong. Listen to this scene from a movie.
नमस्ते सर, मेरा नाम है अर्जुन सिंह। 5000 साल पुरानी सभ्यता की वजह से हम हिंदुस्तानी सबको ऐसे ही झुक के प्रणाम करते हैं।
When we greet one another, we fold our hands in namaste because we believe that God resides in the heart of every human being.
ऐसी सभ्यता जिसमें एक कैथलिक औरत प्रधानमंत्री की कुर्सी एक सिख के लिए छोड़ देती है और एक सिख प्रधानमंत्री पद की शपथ एक मुस्लिम राष्ट्रपति से लेता है, उस देश की बागडोर संभालने के लिए जिसमें 80% लोग हिंदू हैं।
We come from a nation where we allow a lady of Catholic origin to step aside for a Sikh to be sworn in as Prime Minister by a Muslim President to govern a nation of over 80% Hindus.
आपकी मातृभाषा अंग्रेजी पूरी दुनिया में सबसे ज्यादा हमारे ही देश में घसी जाती है और आपको शायद ये भी नहीं पता होगा कि अंग्रेजी के ज्यादातर शब्द संस्कृत से लिए गए हैं। संस्कृत का शब्द मात्र अंग्रेजी में मदर बना, भ्रातृ बना ब्रदर, ज्यामिति बनी ज्योमेट्री और त्रिकोणमिति बनी ट्रिग्नोमेट्री।
It may also interest you to know that many of the origins of your words come from Sanskrit. For example, Matru becomes mother, Bhratru becomes brother, Jyamati becomes geometry, Trigonometry becomes trigonometry.
आपको शायद ये बात दिलचस्प लगे कि हमारे यहाँ 21 भाषाओं में 5600 अखबार और 3500 मैगजीन छपती है, जिनको पढ़ने वालों की संख्या 12 करोड़ है। आपके देश के मुकाबले में कई ज्यादा है।
We have 5,600 newspapers, 35,000 magazines in over 21 different languages with a combined readership of 120 million.
चांद तक पहुँच गए हम, लेकिन अब भी आप लोगों को हम हिंदुस्तानियों के हाथ में सिर्फ सांप की बीन ही नजर आती है।
We have reached the moon and back, but yet you people still feel that we have only reached as far as the Indian rope trip.
डॉक्टर्स, इंजीनियर्स और साइंटिस्ट की गिनती में जनाब हम सिर्फ 2 मुल्कों से पीछे।
We have the third largest pool in the world of doctors, engineers and scientists.
ये थी दिमाग की बात, अब करते हैं ताकत की बात। दुनिया में तीसरी सबसे बड़ी फौज हमारे यहाँ, आपके यहाँ। फिर भी मैं आपके सामने झुक के आपको प्रणाम करता हूँ, क्योंकि हम किसी को अपने आप से छोटा या कमजोर नहीं समझते। नमस्ते।
Maybe your grandfather didn't tell you that we have the third largest army in the world. And even then, I fold my hands in humility before you because we don't believe that we are above or beneath any individual.
Yes, maybe we do not have branded clothes, shoes, cars, but we have branded thoughts here. We might get water late in our municipality taps, but we were the first to detect water on moon by our Chandrayaan-1 satellite. And who can forget our space agency ISRO successfully launched 104 satellites at one go. And it is the largest number of satellites launched at one time by any space agency in the world, including NASA. We know zero was discovered by an Indian, right? But what we do not know that buttons, the ones we put on the shirts, plastic surgery, board games like chess, snakes and ladders, hair shampoo, these modern communication methods like fiber optics, all these are gifted from here, from our own country. Ever heard of Kumbh Mela? It is the largest gathering in India and it can be seen even from space. The Kumbh Mela 2019 has even secured a place in the Guinness Book of World Records for the largest crowd management, largest sanitary drive, and largest painting exercise of public sites. Still, there are many stereotypical images of our country. But there is so much more to this incredible country of ours than many of us would even know. India is the center of many industries. It is the world's largest democracy. India has influenced art, literature, science, medicine, and potentially more than any other nation. Here's another bizarre and incredible fact about our country. About 40% of our country is vegetarian, making it the largest vegetarian population in the world. Our vegetarianism is so influenced that international brands like KFC, McDonald's, Pizza Hut had to introduce new vegetarian menus for their Indian restaurants to cater to the population of our country. But they want to be in our country. India has everything from gorgeous Maharaja palaces surrounded by palm trees, rural countrysides, to modern apartments in the big cities of Mumbai, Delhi, Pune. We should be proud of these things. We have a few lines to sum it up. Listen to this. This is India to the world. First, they ignore you. Then they laugh at you. Then they fight you. Then they fight with you. Then they fight for you. And then you win. Children, we are winning. The world is noticing us. And it is our duty to keep this coming. Happy Independence Day to all. Good day.